Okay, so in today's video, what we're going to learn about is distributive property. And what distributive property really is this is a little brief definition of what this whole process is of distributive property. So it is whatever numbers is out of the parentheses multiplies the numbers inside the parentheses. So let's give an equation where you have to solve it using distributive property. Alright, so let's use 2 parenthesis x plus x plus 2. So now we have to use our definition, whatever numbers out of the parentheses multiplies the numbers inside the parenthesis. So, distributive property, we're going to use this rules to apply it to solve our equation right here. So this number is out of the parentheses. Well, we can obviously tell that is 2. Multiplies the number inside the parenthesis. And numbers inside the parenthesis include our variable x and our number 2. So we have to multiply. That's our key word right now, multiply. So I can simply draw arrows representing my multiplication process. So 2 times x, that's what I have to solve. Then I'm adding it to 2 times 2. Okay, so first let's solve the first one. 2 times x. What that really means is 2 x's. So 2 times x could be solved as 2x. Or, in other words, it could be represented as literally 2 x's. This means 2x. So 2 times x times 2, same thing. So that gives us 2x, like this right here, 2x. Now, plus 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is obvious multiplication. It's 2 times 2. So we have 2 groups of 2. We add another 2 groups of 2. And that gives us 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. There. This is our answer to the distributive property method of this equation. Or expression, not an equation because we don't have the equal sign. So it's an expression. So we have 2x plus 4. If they were like terms, if it was 2 plus 4, 2x plus 3x, then we could add it and get an even simpler form. So let's write down simple form. Yeah, simple form. We cannot do that because these aren't like terms, and that gives a little hint of our next video, which is going to be on combining like terms, and this is a brief example of it. We cannot combine these two terms because they're not alike. 2x is a completely different thing than 4. One's a variable, one's not. So this is what distributive property was. It is whatever numbers out of the parentheses multiplies the numbers inside the parentheses. We showed this in our equation, 2 times x plus 2 times 2. And then we got our answers, 2x plus 4. And we cannot combine them because they're not like terms. And this is the simplest form we got to. Thank you very much.